analysis channel by Dragon30 as usual. All right, this is a Monday sessions and we'll be looking into Bitcoin. All right, what's happening with the Bitcoin? All right, guys. Okay, so hope everyone's doing good. Okay, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone, to the crypto analysis channel. All right. Okay, just a second. All right. Let's go. Okay. All right, guys. So let me delete everything. All right. So in this position, I have a long position right now. All right. So, okay, let's go back to whatever we have analyzed yesterday as well as day before yesterday. All right. So most probably we were looking for the Bitcoin to go on upper side to take out the uh, shots from the top. All right. But last night it was like it wasn't moving. Actually, I was expecting a Sunday midnight. All right, guys. Okay, so if it is not happening on the Sunday midnight, so most probably it might like to take the till Wednesday, right, or Wednesday or Thursday to go up. All right, so or that can be a big dump till the Wednesday. All right, the Tuesday and Wednesday there you might like to see the price dumping all the way towards downside as well. Okay, so anything can happen in the Bitcoin. All right, guys. Okay, so I was looking for the two positions. All right, so I have holded one position from here as well. All right, I was looking for one position on upper side, guys. Okay, if you were watching me from last time. All right, so I wanted to open one position from $78,900 range. All right, but it never happened to go up on upper side. Rather, yesterday I had a one long position from here and it's stop out from here. All right, small 0.8% pump was given on yesterday night. I was expecting a very big move on upper side, but that couldn't happen. So maybe that is possible tonight as well. All right, guys. Okay, that is possible tonight as well because like Monday night we have to hold it, right? So let's see till the Monday what happens, right, guys? Okay, Monday night, right? Tonight, all right. So will there be a big dump or a big pump? All right. So these are the two things that we can check it out on Bitcoin, all right, tonight. Okay, so if it was not given yesterday, we will still have expectation today. All right, but we know that the market have gone to the bearish little bit. All right, and but confirmation is not done yet. All right, guys. Okay, so just a second. Why I'm getting a two screen on my live streaming? All right, let me clear one. All right. Okay. All right. I keep closing one. All right, guys. Oh. All right. Okay, guys. So let's go back to the Bitcoin. What's happening with the Bitcoin, right, guys? All right. Hope everyone's doing good. All right, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Monday sessions, guys. All right, with the Bitcoin. All right. Will you think the Bitcoin is going to give you all the big pump on upper side? What do you think, guys? All right. Hi, Amirulisa. Hi, brother. How are you doing? Hi, brothers. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. So let me see, guys. Okay, so we will start soon. All right, guys. Don't nothing much to worry. All right. I'm just taking some time for the technical things. Okay, guys. So welcome. Let's go. So last time we have seen that the price have not gone further to take out the people from here. That might be it never goes up as well. All right, we wanted to open a long position from here. It never went up, and this was the level whereby I was looking aggressively waiting for the price to drop. After the liquidation, I wanted to open a long position on upper side. I have one more long position from here, is still holding on a long position from this level. All right, that might like to give you all the small drop on a downside as well, but we never knows, right? I have a stop loss over here. All right, I have opened one long position on the upper side, though that is very risky. Okay, so going back to the 4 hours time frame, guys. Okay, if you happen to check on the 4 hours time frame trend, all right. So yesterday the market have gone below the trend that we have. All right, guys. Okay, So market have gone below the trend that we have. All right. So over here for the bearish, okay, for the bearish, if you are going for the bearish, okay, market should be holding below this trend. All right, trend average for now. All right, it should be holding below, then it will be able to go all the way towards downside. All right, might like to get a little bit upper side, but it should be holding below this one to get all the way towards the 71,000 to 72,000. If the market happens to hold below this one, you might like to see a big drop in the coming days, right, guys? That is also possible. All right, but in fact, if the market happens to go up, okay, go up and settles above this level, right, above this level, all right, that has again chances to go on upper side to form a new ATH for the Bitcoin. That's also possible. Nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, so make your own research before you move in. Hi guys, welcome everyone. All right, so we make sure that Bitcoin right now holds below this average point on a downside. All right, then it is possible to come all the way towards the downside. All right, guys, this is what I'm saying. All right, for now. So most probably if it happens to go up again, all right, and settles above this level, I'm going to open one at my position and open one position again on upper side. That is going to be, it is never good to open a long position in downside. All right, it is always good to open on a upper side. Okay, so once it passes above this one, if it happens to hold it and retest at this levels, then I'm going to again open a one long position on upper side. Still, I'm looking forward for the long positions. All right, guys, this might be a fake out. I have already told you all. All right, so one people over here brought it. Okay, this over here people brought it again. All right, people brought it. Okay, so this might be the price that to take out the people who have brought it. All right, so people will be most probably looking for the bearish move in this levels. All right, that time the bearish might get squeezed in this level as well. All right, for now it is not confirmed that the big bearish is on. All right, so if it is confirmed, if it happens to hold below this one, all right, most probably you will be checking on one retest zone in this level. All right, so if it happens to get below this retest zone, then that is going to be a very big shot for me, whereby after getting a breaking down below firstly, all right, and going up and getting a rejection, I'm going to open a short position on a downside, whereby I will be holding that short position. If this average point gets out, all right, I will be holding my short position to all the way towards $72,000. All right, guys, with my stop loss in the zone. All right, so this is my plan for now. All right, but in fact, if the price happens to go up and breaks out on upper side, all right, I'm never begging, never keeping quiet, all right, on the upper side as well. So I will be observing whether the price is able to pass about $77,900 on upper side or not. So if it happens to pass above and it keeps holding in upper side, then I might like to go for a big longs on upper side and try to catch till Wednesday, right, on upper side. Okay, so till Wednesday I'll be catching the on the upper side that may be around $84,200 to $600 on the upper side. That will be my target, taking out the long shots from the top. That is my plans. All right, guys, I have one long position activated from this level, all right, already, but this doesn't make sense. This is a totally behavior of the retailers, but I have tried to go with a small fund as possible in this level, so that I'm not getting bashed off, right? Because like the price is in the bearish under this level, this average point that is around $77,676, it is totally bearish. But in fact, if I'm able to, if the Bitcoin happens to break above these levels, I'll be getting plus 0.113 percentage plus. Right now I'm 1 percentage in profits, right? So if it happens to break out on the upper side and stays above, then I will be going up on the upper side. Right now my SL will be at entry that I have opened my $76,680 long position from this level. All right, so my stop loss will be at entry. If it happens to get a rejection from this level, my stop loss at entry will be gone out, but I'm taking a risk in this level, whereby at the same time that will be advantage for me if it happens to break out on upper side. But the behavior It's not good at all for the good traders, right, guys? This is not a good trader. All right. Okay, so most probably going above $7,900 on the upper side, that might give you again the bullish move. We never knows, guys. That might be a big move on upper side. All right, till Wednesday. All right, boom, 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 boom. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boom, 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 boom. All right. Or if it happens to get rejection, you might like to see price dropping all the way towards the downside as well. All right. So let's get back to the smaller time frame, those who are waiting for the position. All right. So let's try to have some scalping today. All right, guys. Okay. I'm in the mood of scalping it. All right. So let's go. Okay. Let's go on 15 minutes time frame. All right, guys. Okay. On the 15 minutes time frame, it is trying to break above this level, whereby, okay, in this level market tried to create our resistances in this level. So confirmation of resistance is given is so high, guys, right now, Bitcoin. All right, so let me try to close this one. All right. Okay, so if it happens to get a continuous rejection from this level, if it is not able to pass above this one, all right, you might not like to see the price moving, breaking above $7,900. All right, let's see what the price does in these levels right now. All right, so most probably on, let me try to have one trend in this level. So we'll be checking on the scalping session. So everything is, I'm removing everything. All right, guys, for you all. All right. Hi, Edison. Hi, hello. How are you guys? How are you guys? Okay. How are you? Hope everyone's doing good, huh, guys? All right. So if it happens to break above this level, that you might like to get a good scalping on the upper side, that is one. Okay. Let's try to analyze in these levels. All right, big solid candles, green candles. All right, that can be a good pump on upper side, or just a just a people trying to just the Bitcoin is trying to fake you out. All right, so this is the level whereby the Bitcoin is to break it out on upper side. All right, it had got a good rejection from this level. All right, right now. Okay, so market tried to create a little bit sideways in this level, right, guys? Okay, so let's see. The market have broken out, most probably, let's say this levels, right, guys? Okay, so this level was broken out by the Bitcoin. All right, let's say a recent one created. All right, broken out, retested again. All right. Let's see. It have not given you all the retest zone as well, guys, in this level right now. Let's see if it gives you la 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 la. It have broken out from this level. All right. It have broken out from this level. All right. Retest it. Okay. One move missed. Actually, opening us one scalping from this level would be okay. 0.29%. This one becomes risky now. Let's see if it happens to break out from this level or not. Okay. If it breaks, well and good, guys. Okay. So most probably price will be trying to test this level most probably, guys, today. All right, this level. Just wait, guys. Just have patience. All right. Let it give us some loopholes to enter. All right, one scalping for you all. Nothing much financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. Hi. Hey, it goes up or just consolidating. All right, we never knows. This Monday, today. Okay, so I was expecting yesterday, but yesterday we couldn't get any move on upper side. I was opening one long position from here till this level, but there was a big drop when I was sleeping. All right, so today or tomorrow it should be pumping very high, or till Wednesday it should be pumping an upper side. All right, most probably. Okay, let's see what it does. That can be, don't underestimate the Bitcoin, guys, so many people are thinking for the shorts, you might get squeezed in this levels. Very careful, guys. I've shown you all already a trend, guys, okay, in the what kind of trend that we are in. All right, so 4 hours time frame, those who are late, all right, I'm showing you all again. All right, guys, okay, so this is the level whereby the Bitcoin have from the average, all right, it have came down towards this level, all right, towards the downside. Okay, from this level it is broken down, so we make sure that Bitcoin is holding below this levels only. All right, it is holding below this average point, otherwise that is going to be a big bullish again once more on upper side. Okay, so what I have told you yesterday also, I have given you all information what the Bitcoin can do. People over here brought it, people over here, people brought it again. All right, they were squeezed. All right, their SL was removed because they had their SL over here. All right, now people started thinking about the shorts. All right, in this level now shorts are going to be squeezed in this level. Nothing financial advice, but most of the time the Bitcoin does this one. All right, but the confident long for those who are holding for the longs, right, so let it pass above at least this average point. All right, then you will get a good longs on upper side if you're holding for the longs, but most probably you will be getting small scalping in this levels. All right, small scalping on upper side, you keep getting it on upper side. All right, guys, okay. But right now it is not leaving you any edge in this level whereby you can scalp, right? So let it give you all the one edge, all right, whereby you can scalp. Okay, keep pushing on upper side. If it was from this level, it will be easier. Okay, so trying to squeeze a shots on, guys. If it happens to pass about $77,900 on the upper side, the shots are going to get squeezed. Okay, guys, just be careful. Just a second. All right, guys. Wash and come back again. So Bitcoin is right now in the stage whereby you cannot say bearish, you cannot say bullish. All right, it have broken down. All right, but it needs to do the retest on this level. All right, guys. Okay, after the retest only you will be able to see whether that is a real breakout or not. All right, guys. Okay, for one level missed. Okay, just wait. We'll try to scalp on upper side those who are holders. Okay, about $77,900 on upper side, then that will be a good position for the longs on upper side. Okay, most probably I'm holding one long from here. I have on my spot also, I have holded a big amount of Bitcoin for a long term. All right, guys, last time I have brought it in this levels already around $74,900. That I was holding one from $70,000. All right, I kept adding my Bitcoin positions over here. Okay, the asset for long term. All right, so nothing financial advice. Okay, those who are holding for the long term, you're already good. All right, goes up, consolidating. Okay, Infagiri. All right, guys, welcome, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, all the time shouting over here. All right, trying to go aggressively on the long side is also a little bit dangerous right now in this zone. All right, because you are still below the bearish level. All right. So let's wait for a few minutes. All right, if you happens to get one good scalping on upper side. Okay, So at least above this, if the Bitcoin happens to pass above this level, this is going to give you all a big boom on upper side. All right, that is what I'm expecting. Okay, guys. So nothing financial advice though. Okay. So right now the Bitcoin is in the level of bearish, guys, bearish move. Okay, so in the level of bearish, Bitcoin is in the level of bearish right now, under the bearish zone. Okay, and it is pumping on the bearish zone. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. For the longs, la 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 la. Just a second, guys. We'll see whether this is we're expecting this levels or not. La 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 la. What happens when the New York sessions opens? Right now it's pumping very high. That can give you all a very big move on upper side as well, guys. Just be careful, all right, for those who are shorts. That can be a very big dump as well, all right. But I don't think the Bitcoin is dumping much now. Nothing financial advice, all right. I try to. One liquidation is left on a downside yet, okay. But if it doesn't take the liquidation, that should be an upper side on, okay, guys. If it doesn't take the liquidations, all right. If it takes the liquidation, then let's wait, have patience, guys. Okay, those who are aggressively looking for the uh those who are aggressively looking for the plans, all right, guys. Okay. La 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 la. This is the level whereby the Bitcoin went bullish, all right, guys. Okay. This is giving the breakout. Let's wait for a small retest in this level. All right, guys. Small retest after the breakout. All right. It is about to break out on upper side. Okay. So after it does the retest, all right, then we can hold one long position from here. All right. With the target of this points. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Don't rush on. Don't get FOMO. All right, guys. Don't get FOMO. Let it break out first. Let it break out. If it gives an upper side retest, okay, then you'll get a good long on upper side. This is the level whereby Bitcoin have broken right now. About to break, right, guys? About to break. Let it break, okay? So once it does the retest, then might like to go for the longs from this levels, right? One level is that one. It's got getting a rejection right now. One small scalp can be taken, okay, from here. Risky scalp, all right. One long scalp can be taken, that is only 0.2247 percentage if you want to. All right, one scalping. If you want to wait for a little bit big profits, you wait for this move. All right, guys. Okay, once it breaks out, you get back down, and for the retest, after the retest, you might like to go for the long position, right, guys? Okay, that can be one setup for you all. All right, if you want to wait for a little bit bigger. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन. For sure, this is up only for liquidity shots. Where you been, Zivar? Hey, I'm here only. Yesterday I was like in the daytime on a live stream, but evening I didn't come. All right, because I was waiting for the midnight pump on upper side. Yesterday the Bitcoin did a little bit. Midnight pump was not very good yesterday. All right, so till Monday midnight, I should be getting a good pump. I'm just waiting for that one. All right. Okay. So if it gives a pump, then that might continue till the Wednesday on the upper side. Okay. Breaking out. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Because right now it's not giving you any structures. That is solid candle on upper side, guys. Okay. That's very solid candle on upper side. Very, very solid candles. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let me this one. Later on, we trace this one. Guys, so nothing much for more. Just try to wait for the proper entry, alright? Otherwise, you'll get bashed off again with a quick swipe down, right? Okay, guys. So are you having fear, guys? Are you having fear? Okay. So nothing much to fear, guys. All right. For the longs also, you are not confirmed yet on the bearish rate right now. All right. For the longs as well as shorts. All right. You are not confirmed yet. So right now the Bitcoin is in the middle path. All right, guys. Nothing much to worry. Okay. For the longs, those who have long, as well as those who have shorts. All right, guys. Okay. So right now we are in this age. If the Bitcoin happens to pass above this average point, then boom on upper side, guys. Okay. If it gets back, so that is whereby the shorts gets picked out. All right, guys. So Monday is for the corrections usually. So Saturday and Sunday we usually call it that's for the correction, but Mondays can be one correction day. All right, guys. Okay, wait for a little bit pullback, then you might like to get a one solid candles on upper side, and it will be decided whether it should move on upper side or not from 78,000, 78,600, 800, almost this much. All right, if it happens to pass above this one, guys, Bitcoin is going, you will never catch Bitcoin. You is going to go to give you a big solid candles on the upper side, guys. Right now you are still at the bottom. All right. So good levels for the buyers, those who are holding for the longs will be above this average point only. All right, guys. Okay. Above this average point only, you can go for the good buys. All right. So this level is tested, broken out. Okay. Wait for the retest. All right. If it gives you all the proper retest, then you will get one setups on upper side once more. Okay. Small breakout and retesting it. Just wait patience, guys. Shorts, you cannot open short. For now, I'm not opening any shorts on, guys. This becomes very risky for the shorts. From yesterday only, I'm not opening any shorts. All right. Though there is move, I don't. So for those who are holding for the longs, right, above this, if the Bitcoin happens to pass above these levels, you are going to get a big boom on upper side, especially, and from this level 78,600 on upper side, you are going to get a very big boom on upper side, guys. Okay, remember this one, guys. Okay, so this is the level whereby this, why these candles are moving so fast, because this needs to take out, it doesn't give the chance for them, those who have shorts on the downside, to get out of the trades. All right, it will just boom 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 keep going on upper side to take out all the shorts, right, guys? Okay, just be careful now. Just be careful, guys. Lovely soup up, soup up, breaking out on upper side. Lovely, breaking out. Soup up, guys, soup up. Bitcoin is breaking out from the recent level of resistance that have created. Will it give the retest or not? If it doesn't give the retest, then you might like to miss this move on upper side. If it gives the retest, then you'll get this move, all right. At least going back and trying to come down up will give you a good retest on upper side, all right. I don't think the retest will be given in this level. It is going to skyrocket, guys, tonight. Nothing much. Financial advisor, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right. So for the scalpers, this will be only this one will be your target. All right. First target will be this one. All right. First target will be this one, this level. All right. No, this is second target. First target is going to be a little bit lower, below this average point. All right. Let it do the retest, guys, and it will be fun to open a long positions. Risky, but at the same time you are catching the levels. All right. Observer Annie, you are good at explaining things. I will learn a lot from you. Thank you. All right. Price goes up 80,000. I am expecting the price to go all the way to $84,000. All right. If it was yesterday, it would have hit only $83,400. But today, all right, till Friday, till this Wednesday, you might like to see pump on upper side, or till this Wednesday, you might like to see all the way towards the downside. Okay. So most probably I'm looking positive for the upper side, bashing out all the shots and taking out all the shots and moving on upper side, right? I watch you on mute every day because I am at work while you stream, but I am I'm off on Mondays. All right, observer Annie. All right, good to know that. All right, son of Bhagat. All right, observer Annie. Okay, okay. Just don't run into FOMO over here. All right, let it do the retest. Okay. So you will get one kind of levels. Let it do the retest. Okay, then only you can try on upper side. Shots. Okay, coming for the retest. It broke out on upper side, guys. It broke out on upper side right now. Wait, guys, wait, patience. All right, patience. Let it get rebounds from here. Let it get rebounds. आँख है बड़ी बड़ी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो. Good day. Hi, Simply World. How are you doing, Simply World? How are you? How are you? Hope you are doing good. Simply World. Just wait, guys. Retesting this level. Have patience, guys. Have patience. आँख है बड़ी बड़ी और तुम दिल लगाने की बात. Because like right now, Bitcoin is on the bearish side. Okay, so that is all. That's why we are looking for the proper levels only. Bearish side move, bearish side. I'm fine. Good to know that. Samir, hi. Hello, guys. Welcome. Like nine. All right. Welcome. Wait, guys. Wait. If it happens to break out from these levels, right? This my blue levels, it might give you all a very big pump on upper side. All right. Let's wait, guys. Okay. So overall understanding is very important, guys. So you make sure, okay, you're understanding whatever I'm saying over here. All right. If you don't understand, then you'll get bashed off. All right, guys. Try to understand. The recent level is broken out on upper side. Okay, from this level. Okay. Need to wait. Wait. मेरी हालात ऐसी हैं. Try to create a recent high W pattern over here. So yesterday from this level it got faked out, guys. Over here as well. Yesterday it was like a fake out. So I'm asking you all to wait. All right. So in this level it was breaking out on upper side. Okay, retest done and confirmations. In the level of confirmation, it just dumped you all the way towards the downside. All right. Yesterday. Okay. Today that is a clear breakout on upper side from the lower levels. All right. Let it dump a little bit lower. Good to know that, guys. You guys are doing good. All right. Wait, guys, wait. Nothing to do here. Guys, need to wait. Let's wait for this level. That one. Let's do some price actions over here. Okay, it tried to create a one lows. Okay, it is breaking down from a bit below this low. It might like to retest it on the upper side. If you have checking on a 1 minute time frame. All right, this is breaking out, already broke out. This will be a retest soon. All right. Wow, wow, this is crazy. Want to retest more? Mm-hmm. 77,000. This scalping can be till this level only, guys. Okay, if it happens to give you all the pump, firstly till this level, 0.4% can be traced in this level. Okay, if it continues, but it is not doing some proper retest at this level right now. Good retest is left. Coming down to this level, going up will be a beautiful one. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful girl. Wait, guys, wait. Don't hurry. All right. Let it give you all a big H. All right. Don't hurry. It is pumping, pumping, pumping. Small retest was done, but it couldn't give you all a big retest on this level. Broke out again. It's gone now, yeah, by TP 78.2. What it views in the Friday going up or down? Views on the Friday, guys. What is your views in this Friday? This Friday, I think I'm expecting this Wednesday to be on a upper side, removing all the shorts, but we never knows what the market does. All right, guys. Okay, we never knows what the market does. Okay, right now it's not giving you a much proper edge, confident edge than this level. Ani go madam ajana to tingi go dam chira jabe ngayan internet fluctuate chum open vision buy TP 78,000 to There is a buy zone, but it is not giving you all the confidence buy. All right, that is a buy zone for you all. It is breaking out on upper side. Small retest is being done on a 1 minute time frame. All right, but I'm not that confident in this buy. All right, if you want to take risks, you can take it. Okay, guys, but the stop loss should be, make sure your stop loss is short, guys. Okay, for this buys. TP, you should be booking some 150% profits in this level if you are scalping. All right, and in this level, you should be booking some TPs, right? This level, let me mark with the horizontal line. Maybe small can be invested if you are looking for the longs, right? Rest you might like to invest once if it gives a proper retest on the downside. It is not giving you all the proper structures right now. Just keep pumping it, BT. Outlook, keep an eye on it. It will go run soon. Getting a call. That might be a big pump on the upper side as well. Not very good structure for the longs, but because of the vibe of the upper side, that's good for now. Breaking above this level will be a big one. Let's see if it breaks up from this low zone or not. If it breaks, then you can have a proper thing on upper side. Big setup. At least till 78,000 to 79,000 first. All right. Then might like to see an upper side. Small breakout given, small retests have been done in this level. All right, not very major. Okay. See whether it's breaking out this one or not. If it breaks, it will give you a very big solid candles till over here. Breaks this one as well. This one. All right. With the proper retest. So most like on from the top also, when it's coming down, it was not giving a proper retest for you all. So shorts are likely to get a bashed on today, guys. Till Wednesday, we need to reach $84,000 or the Thursday morning. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. From yesterday only, I'm saying that longs price will anytime go on upper side. Okay. Let's see whether this will be able to clear this one or not. 79,000 range. All right. If it clears, then it is going crazy. Bitcoin will go crazy on upper side. Clearing out. Right now, it's still risky, and later, if it passes above this one, you might like to see a big pump on upper side, right? If we have traced from this level, if we have got from this level only with the small breakout on upper side, it will be a beautiful one for us. It's coming back, guys. $77,100 is crossed. All right. Hi, Adisan. Adisan, hi, brother. Hi. This is the level whereby we have been getting rejection again and again and again on the trend. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So most probably, those who cannot hold very long, you can trade still over here if it happens to give you all a big pump on upper side. Okay, with the stop loss at entry and TP1, TP2, TP3 accordingly. All right, this can be traced. You are still in the bearish zone, slightly bearish zone, okay? In the verge of clearing out the longs one, longs shots. What you think, guys? Big pump tonight? Big pump loading tonight or what? Are you holding shorts or longs, guys? All right. Which position are you holding in? Risky long from here, all right, because of you are in the bearish zone, okay? But squeezing the shots, you are going to get a good vibe on upper side if it squeeze the shot. This level should be broken out. Most every time we have been getting rejection from this level. This blue level of trend, right? Buy position, make your own decisions, all right, guys, okay? But you cannot go with the big buys on the top, all right? Though you are in the bottoms right now, but if you are scalping, all right, if you are long holding, there won't be enough problem, all right? Make your own research, all right? But most probably, if it goes without good retest on the downside, you'll see pumping all the way on upper side to take out the shots, all right? Liquidate any shots, okay? Let's see what it does. We are still in the bear zone right now. You're about to get out on the bull zone. Once you get out on the bull zone, you might like to get a spike, okay? On the upper side. Make your own research before you move in, all right? Buying or selling. We haven't out from the bear zone. This is the level whereby तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किलों दो लफ्जों This is a random buy zone. If you're holding for long term, guys, okay, long term, if it happens to stay above 78,000 range to 79,000 range, above these levels, you'll get a good long on upper side. Okay, if it holds above, right now this can be a retest on upper side as well and swipe you down as well. All right, but I have one long position from this level, holding all the way towards the $84,000. All right, guys, with a small fund, once it gets cleared off, I'm going to open up another positions. So, guys, this was what I was planning. All right, guys. Okay. For the Friday, that was a drop. Saturday, I was planning on the drop, but my entry couldn't fill it. All right. Sunday, I was planning on the longs, right, from this level especially. Okay. But it happens to go drop a little bit downside. All right. Towards the downside on the Binance. Okay. Getting rejection on it. This point is so dangerous, guys. This level, drop it, drop it, drop it, and this have broken out, I guess. Not yet. Yeah. Let's wait, have patience. Okay. Big drop or big pump, guys. Big pump or big drop. New York sessions have not started, right? It have not started. BT. 0.3% stop loss. Will it come for the retest from the downside or not? What do you think, guys? Will it come for the retest on the downside? So right now, this is the level the Bitcoin have broken out. All right. So it is playing in the zone right now. Okay. Either it is coming down from this level. Okay. It should get rejection from this level and dump down all the way. All right. If it's getting through, then it will boom on upper side. All right. Only two things. It will retest this level once more. Three crow candles. Let's wait. Okay, guys, let's wait. Have patience. All right. Have patience. Have patience. If you're holding, hold it with your stop loss. If you're waiting, you wait for the confirmations, right? What you think, guys? Will you come for the retest from the down level or not? Do you think it will come? So we need to retest this level once more, go up. If it gets rejection from here, that can be total down. Okay, if it gets through, it will be totally up. All right. Let's see what it does in this level. One, two. Longs, I think it is coming for the retest from the down levels. Comes one, two, three, three. Okay, if it comes for the retest on the downside below this block, okay, so first retest it might be doing this one. All right, for now those who have longs, if it crosses below this one, you keep closing it. All right, if it crosses below this block, all right, because like if it comes for a retest, this is the one level whereby it will trace. Okay, if it goes further, it might like to trace again from the downside only. Okay, so it may not trace all the way towards the downside, but most probably this is the likely level if it happens to come down from this block. Okay, because what it have done is it have broken down on a downside. Okay, went up. All right, it needs to test this level whether this is breaking down or not. So it will test whether the now this should make sure that it is breaking down. You keep closing it. All right, it should make sure that it is pushing an upper side from this level. All right, for the scalpers from this level. Okay, those who wanted to hold, you can hold with the stop losses, no problem. It breaks below. Breaking below is not a problem, guys. This breaking below is not a problem, actually. Okay. If it happens to give something like a retest, something like this, and if it happens to break below that one, then it will crash and again on a downside, bigger retest on the downside. Okay. So one, two, three, third levels. Still pump is left, guys. Don't worry. All right. Pump is left still. It should be going from here to retest this level and get the rejection. Okay. And only we will confirm that this breakout was about to get the fake out. All right. Right now, it still have a chances of retesting this level. If it fails below this trend, then you might like to close this long. All right. Those who are panic sellers, you wait it. Nothing financial advice now, guys. Okay. Those who are looking for the advice, financial advice, nothing financial advice right now. Okay. So all for the education purpose only. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to keep hitting a subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay. So today we missed this on upper side scalping, okay, but no problem. All right. We try to trace it from the over here, a little bit risky right now, but still it's good for the let it do the retest. All right. Small after it have broken down this trend. All right. So it will do some retest in this level. All right. So if it breaks below that one, then it is time for you all to close the longs. All right. Sometimes when it breaks below this one, then it's time for you all to close the longs. All right. It will take some time. So whenever you are holding on a long, right? So when you get out of this trend, you try to draw one trend, all right? When you get out of the trend, that is a signal that the price is about to reverse, okay? But, okay, just a signal, you need to focus it, okay? So after it getting the past from that retest, then it is like totally closed zone, all right? Till the retest is not passed, it still has a chances of moving an upper side, okay? If the retest is failed, all right, in this level, because over here as well, people brought over here, people brought it over here, people trying to buy in these levels as well. It's just trying to remove the people who have brought it over here. Firstly, this will be removed, and later on the price will again try to pump on upper side. Okay. What you think? Will we get a retest on the downside? Guys, if it gets retest on the downside, then this will be failed. If the retest fails over here, SL will be done in this level. भूटानी भाई, पाकिस्तान ने फाइटर जेट यूएई लगा दिया, ईरान रेडी रेडी टू टॉक। क्या बोलता है भाई एप स्पॉट? पाकिस्तान ने फाइटर जेट यूएई लगा दिया। पाकिस्तान ने लगा दिया क्या? अरे बाप रे। न्यूज़, is it working on news? पाकिस्तान ने फाइटर जेट लगा दिया यूए पे। बाप रे, बहुत वार चल रहा है ना गाइस, लॉट्स ऑफ वार। यूए पर अटैक कर रहा है पाकिस्तान। अब वार यूए की तरफ फाइट करेगा। बाप रे guys, this is crazy. I think we need to keep closing this one longs right now. All right guys, if it happens to fail this retest, then it will give you one drum. All right, क्या हो गया यार? Should be something like this. Okay, need to close this long for now, I guess. As soon as it passes below just this trend, you just, if the candle closes below this one, you just keep closing this one, you'll get another opportunity. Right now you are in the entry right now, okay? Because if it closes below this trend, it is for sure that the price will take time to go up upper side, okay? If it doesn't close, no problem guys. If it doesn't close below, all right, but if it closes below, then you need to close. Small pump was given 0.4 percentage. All right. पाकिस्तान अटैक कर रहा है यूएई पर, वार चल रहा है। बाप रे। Within this trend, longs are good. Okay. As soon as you get back from this trend, break down from the trend, just close your longs. All right. So within this trend, it can play. All right. And push you all the way towards the upper side as well. Okay. But if it happens to break below this trend, you are going to get the dump. All right. So this is my trend to hold longs on upper side. पाकिस्तान ईरान का मदद कर रहा है क्या? Right, something like that. Up spot. But I listen sometimes, but I don't have that much knowledge on the wars, all the news and over there. Liquidation drop. Tuku, 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 tuku. Tuku, New York sessions opened or not? Not yet, right, guys? New York sessions. It's likely to take one liquidations before it moves up on upper side. Okay, if it closes, okay, we need to close this longs, right, guys? Right now, let it close, close the candle. If it doesn't close, no problem. Need to close. Broke down from my trend right now. Candle is this much shrink candle. Will it be able to give it an upper side? No. Okay. Need to close this long, guys, for now. All right. So this need to close right now. Longs right now. It needs to close it. Iran. Wait, guys, okay, for the next move. One long, we try to open from here, okay, small move was given, okay, and it came back, need to close it over here near your entries only. All right. Buy bung, that's also possible. 1 2 3, this is the third level. Just wait, wait. If it gives the, if it happens to give you all 1 2 3 4, because you're getting rejection from this level, chances of getting reversal from this level. Retest, one retest done, guys. Okay, one retest. This was breaking out from this level. All right, previous resistance. It broke out on upper side. It came down for the retest. All right, came down for the retest right now. One structural gap left in this level. All right, if you buy from here, your one structural gap is down, left on the downside as well, guys. 0.26. We're not getting proper structure right now. Wait, guys, don't activate this one. Need to wait. One level is there. Bitcoin broke down. Nothing financial advice on, guys. I'm aggressively trying to plan a long positions for you all right, but make your own research before you move in. Okay, need to come down, dump to this level, then one retest will be done for this one. This level of retest is done. Ooh. Wait, patience, guys, patience. Don't do anything, guys, over here. I don't think buy. Wait, guys, wait. Patience right now. Buy in what price, sir? Just wait, okay, guys. Wait. Have patience right now. Have patience, okay? Because like right now we are in a bearish zone. We are aggressively looking for the buys, scalping. All right. Small breakout was given on upper side that can pick out or that can be breakout. If you are strongly looking for the buys, right? Confident buys will be one scalping will be above these levels, right? Because you have broken out from this level, all right? And you have already broken out. So going above this level will be a strong buy for you all right? One confident buy for you all, okay? So firstly, you can target these levels, right, guys? Okay, this level can be targeted. All right. Right now we are looking at the age to buy it. All right. Above this level, all right, you can target at least $78,367. All right. Confident buy can be this one can be. All right. Broken out, it should get rejection from this level and move up and try to break out on upper side. Okay. So that can be a confident buy for you all. So when we directly buy on a moving direct downside, sometimes you will be correct, but like if it happens to push down, okay, it will be your stop loss will be at big risks. Okay, let's see. Now you observe in this levels, guys. Okay. So this level of breakdown was given. Okay, in this level it have never broken down. All right. So one position can be buy from this level as well, guys. Okay, a little bit risky if you're planning it, but if you plan from here, that will be confident. If you want to trace it from the downside, this will be also okay, but make sure you try to keep your stop losses below those levels, right, guys? Okay, nothing financial advice on, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right. So most likely what we are expecting in this level is, right, so we try to make something like this, all right, in this level. If it doesn't make this less something like this, then we will be squeezed. All right, let's see. Does it form something like this or just swipe you all the way towards downside? So how far this, it is not advisable, guys. So if you are waiting for confident, people will always wait for over here, okay, go on upper side. All right. So breakout, retesting the breakout, which means easier for you all to buy an upper side. We are observing in this level how far it will move on this levels. We will see it. Okay. So you see something like this going up. All right. So over here, what you can see is something like this. So once it comes back for the pullback, okay, pull back and try to pass above those levels. You just keep buying over there. That's also fine. This levels. See whether this will continue on a downside or it will just form the wedge in this level, retest this level. Okay, so we are proving the retest that was broken down. The price have broken down on a downside. Okay, we are proving that the retest is failed. All right. So what I told you for the longs as well, People brought it over here, people brought it over here, people try to buy over here. Okay, so some people were saying that buy over here. Their SL for the scalping will be in this zone. All right, it will try to remove the SL. Okay, try to create a move for the shortest, right? Then it acts as if like it will go for the retest and it tries to continue on upper side, bashing out the shots. All right, that time you will get volatility very high. All right. Let's see how far this moves on the downside. Try to find the H in this level. Moving on the downside, right? Oh, no, no. Okay, couldn't it couldn't make any retest in this level right now. Complete formation of structures. Didn't give any structure in this level right now. Right now, it didn't give any structures. Hello, I closed my short yesterday. It was good week. Frankie Pat, wow. You made a lots of dollars, right, Frankie Pat? You were holding from the top, right? Frankie Pat, welcome. You made a good dollars yesterday. Good dollars? Yes, made good dollars this weekend. Wow. Frankie Pat, doing good at the market. Right now, we are looking for the long position, but it have tried to broke down on the downside right now. Okay, trying to maybe most probably trying to come in the zone if it happens. So it was making something like this, it will be confident for us to open a long, but right now it's not reacting accordingly. We must look for the positions here. We need price to come down for this level. Right? So, yeah. It's breaking down again. Retest for these levels. All right. If it happens to break up below this one, then it is going bearish, guys. Okay, then we won't look for the longs. Happens to break below this one. Try to scalp on upper side. Trying to scalp on upper side. Broke down below these levels. We can't do anything, guys, over here. Okay, so you are in middle right now for the longs as well as shorts. This is respecting this level right now. Okay, whereby it have broken down, try to create a small breakdown towards downside. This breakdown is fulfilled. This breakdown is fulfilled. So that was a good structural. Wait, patience. La 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 la. Yep, it's immediate. New York sessions opened, right, guys? Yes, sessions opened. Yes, Metco Dallas, Frankie Pat. Okay, wait, guys, wait, patience. Shots, it's good, but mm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. It's the level to reverse it. Yes. Breakout right now. Okay, one breakout is given, one retest is left on upper side. Okay, market needs to do the retest. All right, guys. Market needs to do the retest once more. Will the market do it or not? I also don't know. All right, so that the bigger dump can be given by the market. All right, it's trying to buy, I guess. Big dump. I'm not selling, guys. Right now, I'm not selling. Let the price stop. Okay, guys, I think it's going up for the retest. going up for the retest. Scalping can be traced from here. But it's me. Got Dallas. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Let it play around. New York session just opened. All right. Excuse me. Hey, Judah. Patience, guys. Let it play around. Patience, patience. Sadalami Samia. Yeah. Should be dropping till this level. Went up all the from there on, guys. Should we take risks? Market is volatility have started, guys. See the candle formation in this level. This is so small, small, small. From here, New York session started. Good candles formations. All right, it's good to trade in those kind of volatility zone. All right. Patience, guys. Wait, wait. Broke out, but this can be a long, risky long from here. Should be coming to take the liquidation from this level. It is not coming down right now. Take out a little bit. Just people's. Mm-hmm. 57. Patience, guys, patience, 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 patience required. Hi, hi. Some share Modali. Some share Modali. Hi, brother. Hi. Some share Modali. Share. share modality. Oh, yeah. Come down, Bitcoin. It's to come down. Needs to come down, bro. Why it's checking the patience. Lots of checking the patience, right? It's to come down. It's checking my patience. It's not taking liquidations. Why it's not giving any liquidations right now? Mm. Patience, guys. If we happen to open over here, sometimes it will give you the profit, but most of the time it like to bash you off and you'll get squeezed with the small move on a downside. Rather, we open from the top or we just wait in the zone for the liquidations on the downside. After that one, we just open a long lap. That will be more confident. It is a long setup from here also, but the fear is if it happens to give you all the liquidation on downside, you'll be squeezed from here, guys. Okay. This W pattern, all right. This W pattern is so dangerous. Wait, patience, patience, guys, patience, 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 patience. All right. Yes, patience. Killing me, please, sleepy, sleepy. 'Sell it. Yeah, the position is for the sell. Right now, the position is for the sell. All right. There is a sell position for you all. There is a good sell position for you all. One scalping 0.6 percentage can be seen in this level. All right. For the scalpers, those who are scalping it, there is sell position. Zero point 0.68, 0.68 percentages downside. Masiriri, siriri, siriri, masiriri. Show, show, show. Oi, oi. Yes, yes, bro. No, bro, no. Right now, waiting for one position. Yes, around some maybe half an hour more. Yes. Small Navar, sell it. Good points. Catch you one, catch you one. Why you change from buy to sell? No, I'm waiting for the buy. All right, waiting for the buy. This is just a direction I'm giving it. All right, okay. So we need to come down to this level. All right, before we buy it. All right, price firstly needs to come down, drop down. All right, then only we can go for the long positions because that is the liquidations we have. All right, from here only, if it gets back, right, then we'll open a long positions. All right. So I'm tracing that one for the longs. All right, go down, 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 down. Meanwhile, I was tracing for the longs right from the top only. All right, but like I just I just got a reminder that that can be on sale also, right? While waiting, but it's always risky. Okay, well, you're tracing with one positions, all right, but you know that the price needs to go down over there, all right. So I'm just tracing that one, all right. Needs to come down one more time, one more boom on the downside. Price needs to come down to this level. We're waiting for the longs, all right, at the same time. Okay. So while coming down, firstly, market needs to come down, complete this structure, then go up. All right, for the longs one. All right. This is what we are waiting for. But one thing, if it happens to never come back from this level, you cannot open the long. Right? Needs to get a reaction from this level and rise up on the upper side. Okay. Then we'll be ready for the longs from the upper side. Okay. No, no foul, no foul, no foul, no foul, all right, no foul. Okay. Hope you got it what I mean. Okay. Nothing to confuse you all. While waiting for the long to complete the structures, all right, then let the sale zone can also happen on a downside to this level, all right. But sometimes what it does is why I don't trade those kind of thing is like sometimes without completing the structure, it tries to pump up, all right. So that time it is always getting patched, all right. But most of the time, 50% it works, okay. So while tracing the your structure on the downside, okay, waiting for your long to happen, all right, so that shots can also because I take only one that is on the upper side or downside. I don't try to take both, all right, long side, short side, long side, short side. I take only one. Sometimes without going down, tries to pump up. So in that conditions, it though you see the though you want the market to move on a downside, okay, though you see the structures, right? But sometimes you try to get bashed off. So we need to right now to open a long on upper side. Firstly, market needs to clear this one and come up. Okay, then we are going to open a long positions. La 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 la. I open right now. Needs to complete it, then only I can open. So I'm a little bit particular, guys. All right. When I try to open my positions, if it completes the structure, then only I feel comfortable. All right. Open the long side my setups. All right. Because it always means that sometimes it will happen to come down to these levels. Okay. If you try to open a long over here, it always means that sometimes it will just come and touch these levels. Okay. Firstly, let this first finish this one. If it finish this one, come back to this zone, I can go with one long from this levels. But if it happens to drop all the way towards downside, I can't open from the down, right? So usually I'm trying to trace the bottom for you all, which is not good, but I'm trying to trace the bottom. At least even if you don't get all the way, even if you get faked out from this level, all right, for the shots, okay, so at least you will get some profits on this level, all right, on the upper side. Drop left again, 0.29% downside. Wait, guys, wait, patience, patience, patience. All right. Those who are waiting for the long need to have patience. All right. Those who are in shorts need to have patience. All right. Both sides. नौटंकी कर रहा है अभी हाँ this Bitcoin is giving you all the long setup from this level. All right. Firstly, it will take out all the longs, those who have planned from here. Okay. Those who have planned long over here, it needs to take out the people who have longs. And after taking out, then if only if it happens to give you all the setups, then you can plan it. All right. So then the Bitcoin can move on upper side. All right, guys. Okay. Just wait, guys. Have patience. Priya, oh Priya, Priya, Priya. Yes, there we go. Shots fulfilled. All right. Once it comes to this level, I can open one long positions. All right. This level is also a valid for the long, but this becomes very risky, guys. All right. This becomes very, very risky. Okay. So this level is going to be very risky. So if you're waiting for the confident one, you should plan over here. All right. If you get bashed off, I'm sorry. All right, guys. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. Okay. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. So this is going to be a TP1. Okay. For this one, TP1 is going to be this one. Right. Confident trade is going to be coming from this level only. All right, guys. Okay. So this one is very, very risky one. All right. Because like market is continuing on the downside. All right. So you are aggressively placing your long on the big force of running waters. Right. So this becomes the risky one. All right. But for a confident one, if you can hold till this level, that is super. Right, guys. Okay. So that can get bashed off as well. All right, guys. So shorts, well and good. All right. Book some profits. All right, guys. So again, if it happens to continue on upper side with your stop loss at the entry, you can always press on upper side. Okay. So if it happens to break out on upper side, give the retest on upper side. That will be a beautiful one for you all. Go for the boom on upper side, tracing a long one, right, guys? Okay. So nothing much financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys, so that you guys are not bashed off, right? So over here, I'm not sharing you all the financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. Okay. Yes. Boom. Next boom. Come on. Boom. 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 Yes. Come on. Push it. Push it. Can do it, Bitcoin. Nothing much fishy, huh? Push it up. No fishy business, huh? Push it up. Push it up. Okay. Subscribe to Harrier Trader. All right. Thank you, brothers. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So, like I'm always one direction. I need to wait along for my setups to come in. All right. After that, if it give me bash off, then I need to move out. All right. If it give me a profits, I need to take the profits. Right. Guys. All right. Thank you so much. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, guys. Okay. So if it happens to break out from the zone, you can trace it all the way on upper side. Okay, so you have on the TPs over here. All right, guys, make your own research before you move in. All right, so you have lots of TPs in this levels, right? So whereby the Bitcoin needs to clear it off, right? So let's see. Okay, so we need to get out of from the zone, firstly from the bearish zone. Let's get out of to the bullish zone. Let's get out of this from this levels to the upper side, right? Okay. Okay. So that's all, guys. Okay, make your own research, make your have a good fund management, right? Risk management. Okay, guys. It will play around a bit. Come on, BT, no feel shy. No feel shy. Come on, push it up. Push it, BT, push it, push it, push it up, push it up, push it up. Yes. Feeling shy, BT is feeling shy. Guys, because you guys are watching, so Billy is feeling shy now. Please make vertical live video. Vertical? You mean the horizontal one? Vavianashik video. Because people usually don't look into all those things. So they looks only at the setup, so I just focus on the setup only, guys. Okay. Usually they look onto the setups only, right, guys? Come on, BD, BD, BD. Boom, boom, boom. Where is the boom? So usually, so first boom can be passing above this one, all right? And if it breaks above these levels, you will see a good boom on upper side, guys, okay? So that might kick you all the way towards the upper side, all right, guys? So let's see, okay? Try to book some profit in this zone and this zone, right? And rest you can hold it towards your Laksa margin. Yo. Your confident trade once it's passed above this level, all right, guys? Your confident trade above this level. Push it, Betty, push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Those who are interested to learn Bitcoin, all right, the moves of the Bitcoin, the behavior of the Bitcoins, right, the ages of the Bitcoin, right, with Dragon, all right, guys, okay, move your stop loss to the entry and hold it confidently, all right, guys. I try to give my best to find you all the setups, okay. Rest up to the Allah. All right, guys. It's up to the God whether they want to give you all the profits or not. Guys. Okay. No shy, BT. Patience, guys. Okay, you you guys took lots of time. I took lots of time to find out the setups. After that, it's patience to hold it. All right. So for the holding, simple. Okay, guys. We try to have one line like this. All right. Okay. So it will try to make one edge, right? One trend over here. Okay. So whenever let the first one go it right, guys. Okay. Make it. Okay. Try to have one edge. All right. As long as you are not passing below the edge, you can still hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it till the maybe 70, 80, $90,000 upper side, no problem, right? As long as it keeps moving it. All right. But if it happens to break below, breaking below is not a problem. All right, guys, breaking below is not a problem. But if it happens to break below and try to pass the retest on the downside, then it means that it will take some time to move on upper side. All right, guys. Okay, not over here, guys. It will be like it is forming your first trend in this level. All right. So we'll with that reference of that trend on the bullish side, we'll try to trace that one. Okay. Right now, not able to break out. We are confident trend not yet activated. All right. Your confident trade will come from here, guys. Okay. This is the level whereby you'll get a confident trade. If it is not able to move up from this level, this should be a very bottom for you all. All right. If it is not able to move up from this level, all right, then Bitcoin is going to drop very low on a downside, guys. Okay, you remember that one. All right. It should be moving from here to the upper side only. All right. Because this has, okay, from this level, it should be moving an upper side only. If it doesn't move, then you are going to get up very. If it's not able to pass above these levels, all right, this resistance that we have, if it clears out on the downside, Bitcoin is going to drop very low. This is what you have to understand. All right. So keep your stop loss in the zone and just hold it tight. All right. Let's see together what will happen. All right, guys. How much pump given? Small pump given, that is 0.5% already given. Why is it acting so much? Giving fear for the longs. धक धक करने लगा और मौज not able to break out right now. This level. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in, guys. All right, so that you guys are not bashed off, right, guys? Okay. Should be able to break out from this levels. It got a big rejection from this level, guys. If my stop loss is heated, this is very dangerous. Price planning for the downside, guys. Okay. Either that is a fear given for the longs one, all right, or market planning very low on the downside. $76,400. All right. No move is given for the longs, guys. Okay. So otherwise, it should be trying to go up and try to break out from this level and move on upper side. Okay, got a huge rejection from this level. All right. So if it happens to move down from this average towards the downside, it's going to give you all the very boom on the downside. All right. Still over here, maybe up here, right? Guys, this is no good. Okay, stop loss, trying to go stop loss, cut your losses, guys. Cut your losses. So for the confident, if later on, if it happens to come out and break out from this level, just plan your long, guys. All right. So this levels is very important. Okay. Just wait for this levels. If it happens to come down, come up, try to go long from this level only. Below this one, don't try to do anything. All right, guys. Okay. Still wait for buy, right, sir? Where are you from, sir? I'm from Bhutan, brother. I'm from Bhutan. All right. Okay, I try to catch one long position for you all from this level. All right. So we have a stop loss in this zone. All right. From this level, we were supposed to get back for the confirmation of the retest on the upper side. Okay. That market didn't do. All right. From this level, it directly planned on the downside, which means that it might like to go down all the way as well. Okay, if my stop loss is gone, it is going to dump you all the way down. So for the buy, right? So buy, if you wanted to plan for your buy, confident buy, you will come over here. All right. Once it passes above this level, all right, then you might like to go for a buy. All right, from this level. Okay, with a small retest. So first target will be this one above. Okay, then above that one, it will be, if it happens to confirm the retest on the upper side, okay, then keep holding it and keep moving on the upper side, right, guys? Okay. Okay, that can be a fear given to us as well. Hope market is not watching us, right, guys? Okay, I'm from Bhutan, Dipesh. I'm good. Wagya, so please vertical live. All right, wait for the buy, right? So, wow, fear, right? Fear, that can be a fear given to us. All right, it should be moving from here, right? When fear is given to us. Still, right? Still, hold your their stop losses. If it is a fear, then you might like to get an upper side. Let's wait for a few minutes what the market does, right, guys? Giving us fear, right, guys? Trying to remove the cells. All right, not bad. Let's see, okay, guys. From here, it is a fear or like it is planning actually on the downside or not. Muraji. Wow. Market tries to fear us sometimes. Okay, planning downside only. Rebound here, Arjit Singh. I'm expecting rebound, but it's trying to remove my SL in the zone. So for the confident, you just try to go up from this level on upper side. Okay, guys, those who are waiting for the confident trades, right? So you have lots of opportunities on upper side. Below this level will be a little bit risky, but at the same time, good rewards as well. All right, guys. Okay, so 0 point. I'm not encouraging you all to take it from the downside. Okay, but lots of noise happens on the downside. Market tries to do fishy things. All those things happens and below this levels. All right. After you pass this levels, most probably that is going to be confident for you all. All right, guys. Okay, make your own research before you move in. All right. So later on, if the price goes down, 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 let it go. All right. But once it happens to come to this level, just buy it and go on the upper side. Okay, guys. Okay. Nothing much financial advice. Okay, guys. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys. BTQ शर्मा रहे हो BT शर्मा जी का बेटी शर्मा रहा है BT good pump it should be giving why BT why yesterday also it did similar way. It was doing all fishy things over here, all the small candles, minor candles which was formed in this level, and big major candles at the same time. शर्मा जी के बेटे शर्मा रहे हो Mario 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 1 2 3 okay guys, if you're planning confident, plan from this above this level. All right, so below such things happens, right? We try to plan from here. I told you all this is a risky, all right, but in fact the stop loss is not gone yet. All right, so we're still in a positive way. All right, now also, all right, still in a positive, right? Rebound. Let's check for the rebound, right, guys? I'm aggressively looking for the longs only. I don't know. But market is dropping down, down, down. Beta, na, 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 na. Hey Mario, Mario. Wait, patience, guys, patience. Those who don't have any positions, right? Above this level, you plan it. Okay, guys. Right now, it got rejection from this level. All right, it will take some time. Play around under this zone. All right, but if it happens to get again rejection and again rejection, then you might like to see price dropping all the way towards downside. Dropping all the way towards downside seems fishy, guys. Directly. Okay. All right, guys. I think it will play around a bit. All right. So let's see if it happens to move on upper side. Okay. For those who are looking for the confident trade on upper side, plan only above this one. For the scalpings, at least your first TP towards this one, right? At least you book some profit in the zone. If it passes above, then that can be good long positions for you all. Shots, I'm not going for the shots right now, guys. Okay, so I'm sorry for the shots, but right now I haven't planned anything for the shots. All right, guys, because so many things have happened on upper side. Okay, so BT have been giving you giving all the shitty things on upper side. Okay, without formation of proper structures, it have been keeping you all, dumping you all the way towards downside. Okay, so over here what I mean to say is those who have missed on the from the beginnings, right guys? Okay, so we checking back on a 4 hours time frame. Let's try to go back for the 4 hours time frame. All right, so this is on 4 hours time frame, guys. I have been explaining you all again and again and again. All right, so over here it tried to do small retest in this level, which have got a huge rejection from the top, and it is dumping all the way down. All right, so if the Bitcoin happens to, okay, if the Bitcoin happens to float back and try to get pop this average point, then only good bullish will take over. 77,900 is a dollars, right guys? That is a level. Okay, so in this level, because most of the time what the BT does is right in this level, okay guys, so people buy over here, again people buy over here, which means that level also people buy it. All right, so in this level, when the people tries to buy it, it tries to figure out, take out all the SL, because SL will be in this zone, try to fake out all the peoples, right? It will try to give you all the short setup from here, try to give you all the big solid candles for the red candles, and later on, after giving the hope for the shots, it just try to plan on upper side. Okay, so it may happen or may not happen, I don't know. All right guys, but that is what usually the Bitcoin does. All right, so let's see what it does. All right guys, in this level. Okay, does it respect the setups, or like it will just do the as usual on upper side? Okay, so we will be watching closely in these levels. All right guys, okay, so nothing much to worry. Okay, so for the big confident move that is going to come pop this level, whereby if you are holding from this level, a little bit risky below this one, because you are in a bearish. All right, opening along is a little bit risky, but at the same time you are tracing 1.8% extra for you all if it happens to break out from this level, taking into consideration that it might like to break out on upper side, right? If it happens to give you all the breakout on upper side, then it might give you all a huge profit. You don't have to fear for your entries, because you're after going into these levels, whether to get the reaction or not, you don't have to worry. All right, your stop loss will be at entry and you'll be just holding, right guys? So for that one, your entry will be over here. At least if it passes above this level, $76,879, then it will go up for the retest on upper side. Okay, so this will be the confident entry for you all. Below this one, anything can do. Bitcoin might like to dump you all the way towards downside also, but usually this is the point whereby the Bitcoin should be reversing on upper side. Okay, so it may be playing around. Okay, it might be giving you the fear as well, right? So usually I plan my long setups from those kind of things, and it works almost 60 to 70% correct. All right, so let's see today. Okay, maybe that can be a fake out or a downside. Okay, trying to invite more shots, right? Or that can be a real shots and going you all the way down as well. All right guys, okay, so far so cool guys. Okay, nothing much to worry. Okay guys, so this was the risky trade. It gave a small profit till over here and got a rejection from this level and tried to dump you all the way towards downside. Okay, so maybe it will continue for some times. Okay, a little bit sideways, and later on when you sleep, then when you wake up, the price would have already gone so far. Guys, okay, so just be careful guys. Okay, either on a long as well as a short, try to manage your risk well. Okay, so most probably I'm aggressive for the longs these days. Okay guys, so nothing much. Okay, I'm not becoming a partiality. I'm not doing partiality to the big Bitcoin, not looking for the shots, but because Bitcoin did all the way like that from the top only. All right, but that can be maybe filled on the next time, or like or Bitcoin should go up and fill up that one. I don't know. All right, so most probably those things over here, it can be risky over here, because you are planning on a bear zone for the longs. Okay, that can be risky as well, but risk always comes with the rewards, right? So make your own research before you move in. All right, nothing much to worry. All right guys, everything is going to be fine. All right, if you are making losses, stop it immediately. If you have made profits, stop immediately. Just be patient. Okay, and just try to take whatever the market gives you lah. Don't try to be aggressive as well. All right, so if market is giving you the losses, just accept it. If market is giving you all the profits, just accept it. All right, small profits. Okay, guys. So anything to ask me before I leave it? All right, guys. Okay. So for now, I am leaving it this much. All right. If it happens to come up in this level, all right, come up in this level, I might like to go for a small positions from this level. All right. And I'll hold all the way on upper side. And if it happens to give me the breakout from the $78,900 on upper side, then I might like to add some positions. All right, guys. Okay, so with my normal fund. Okay, guys, so this is the thing. Because again, for your informations, so I have kept buying the bitcoins again and again. All right, whenever it happens to give you all the wings. All right, I'm planning for the long term. All right, so whatever excess money I have, I just plan to buy some bitcoins. Right, so yeah, that's for the long term only, guys. Okay. So for the long terms, if you guys are looking for, I'm looking for the 84,000 range in a coming few weeks, right, or few days, right? So, but from where it is moving, I also don't know. All right, guys, it might be moving up from this levels or a little bit downside more levels. I don't know, guys. Okay. So from which levels it's moving on upper side, I also don't know. I always say that one. Okay, guys. So that can be directly up from this level also. So might like to play around a little bit and try to go on upper side as well. All right. So we never knows that one. All right, guys. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. All right. It might like to directly go up from here, or it might like to jump a little bit on a downside and try to play around and uh, try to trap the people more and try to move on upper side. Okay. Downside move, I have been neglecting it. All right. Once it gets confirmed that the Bitcoin is not going on upper side, then only I will try to plan for my shots. Okay, upcoming. I'm a little bit particular once. So as long as I'm not in a buy zone, I don't buy it. Once I'm in a buy zone, I need to take few risks. All right. So that's the thing. Just wait for now. You wait for the confident trade on upper side. Once it gets on upper side, you don't have to have fear of this low, those playing around, right? But from the lower side, it's always risky, but we always with a good rewards only. All right, guys, nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? So you can catch me always time in this time, okay, in this zone, okay, from Monday to Friday, okay. I'll be on the live only. So we'll be watching the market together, whatever it does. All right, guys, tomorrow. Right now, the volatility is a little bit okay, right? So tomorrow we'll come back and see what happened over here. All right, guys. Okay, so make your own research, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow. Okay, guys. Have a good time. Take care, guys. Nothing much to worry. Be confident. Be bold. Let's bash the market together. All right. Signing off, Dragon.